Okay, we're gonna throw a little video here on my 2009 Honda Accord. I was having issues with the lights on this whole thing. Everything works. The radio works, the AC works, everything works. It functions like really good. The only problem that I used to have, it was that at night it was no lights or nothing. It was working, the radio, CD, AC, everything was working good, but no lights. I went online and they start saying that people take it to Honda and they told them that they need a new radio. They told me to check fuses inside the hood. Check fuses. There's another little box somewhere right there. I do that. Everything was good. So I was had to give up. And somebody mentioned it there on YouTube that it was another set of fuses right there. That little spot right there. Wait a second here. Right here. This is a little spot. So you open it and it was that little one right there, 7.5, that it was blow. That one right there, number 6. I change it and guess what? Pop, light comes out. So that was a problem on my car. Change it, now it's good. Again, this is a, come on, focus. This is a 2009 Honda Accord. It's not a luxury one. I think it's a LS, or I don't even know what, because that is not anywhere, so it just Honda Accord 2009. Lights on that problem, I fixed it with a little fuse.